Nagendra Rao, President ICSI. Institute of Company Secretaries of India is organizing a 22nd National Practicing Company Secretaries Convention at Kolkata. The theme of the National PCS Convention is Passion for Profession, Empowering Entrepreneurship and Excellence. There are four different sub-themes where you will find the members in practice. It will give a new boost, a new energy for them in this era of COVID-19. The various sub-themes are integrating growth, branding and wealth creation, dynamic regulatory framework, speed, service and expectation, new age digital tools for profession, the use of the timing solutions and its cost, and the last is identifying emerging opportunities, outlook, risk, and the preparation. COVID 19, though, has given a lot of anxiety to all the professional, but it has opened a new door of opportunities to all the professionals across, whether it is, and especially in particular, the company secretary in practice. Every day around 600 companies are being incorporated, new heights of FDI investment coming into India. All these are nothing but giving a ray of hope to all the professional spread across, and especially more so for the compliance. And company secretary play a very important role for the purpose of growth of the nation. I am sure that these 2 days celebration and deliberations which are going to take place in this 22nd National PCS conference, I am sure that many topics would be discussed in the interest of the profession, and new vistas, new areas are going to be ventured into by our professional with the dedicated efforts, deliberations which are going to take place today. I am sure that all our practicing professionals who have joined, approximately around 2000 professional, 150 to 200 in person and around 1800 in virtually, all of them are going to get benefited by virtue of the deliberations of today. And I am sure that new opportunities are being created by our own members by venturing into new areas.